Your boss or coworker will never correct you, not once. And that exactly the problem. 3 phrases, you already know all 3. You probably said one of them this week. And every time you do, your Japanese coworkers hear something you never meant to say. Here's what makes these different from a normal mistake. Get your grammar wrong, and someone helps you. Get this wrong, nobody says a word. They just quietly adjust how they see and treat you, and you'll never find out why. Number 3 is the one you are almost certainly saying today. It's the most natural thing in the world to say, and to a client, it's the surface of the 3. We'll get there. Let's start with the one that stings the most. First one, stop saying ご苦労様 to your boss. Hear what actually happens when you do. ご苦労様 only travels downward. A manager said it to their team. It means roughly thanks for your hard work, but from the above. So when you aim it upward at someone senior, you just put yourself in charge of them in one word. The fix is simple. お疲れ様です. That one works in every direction. Up, down, sideways. Your boss, your coworker, and the person you pass in a hallway. Examples. Leaving the office. お疲れ様です. Starting or ending with a call with your coworker. お疲れ様です. Coworker walking in from a meeting. お疲れ様です. Honestly, if you only remember one phrase from this whole video, make it this one. That's the safest phrase in a Japanese office. If you're not sure whether to say お疲れ様です, a small bow, 会釈, and works too. It's always respectful no matter who the person is. If that one made you say, oh no, tap it like it helps another learner avoid it. Let's go to the next one. Second one, stop replying 了解です to your boss. Your boss asks you to do something and you fire back 了解です. It feels fast, efficient, it's even respectful, but in a lot of Japanese companies that read as a reply between equals. Coming from you, upward, it sounds like a little too comfortable. Swap it for 承知しました. Same meaning. Understood, but it acknowledges who you are speaking to. And with a client, go one step higher. かしこまりました. Let's practice. 承知しました. かしこまりました. Examples. Your manager assigns you a task. You say 承知しました. A client asks you to move the deadline. You confirm that you can change the deadline. Say, かしこまりました. Same 3 seconds of your life. Completely different impression. 了解です. I'll be straight with you. This one depends on the company. Some offices genuinely don't care, but 承知しました is never wrong. And 了解です sometimes is. So if you are not sure to use the one that can backfire. And here's the one you were saying today. Stop saying ちょっと待って at work. It's the most natural thing in the world. Hang on 1 second. With a friend, it's perfectly fine and it's totally okay to say it. With your boss on the phone or a client at the counter, it sounds like an order. If you just told them to wait. The fix, 少々お待ちください. Same meaning. One moment, please. But it asks instead of tells. Example. A client calls and you need to check something. 少々お待ちください. Your boss asks for a file and you need 10 seconds. 少々お待ちください. And if you want the softer in-between version with a coworker, ちょっと待ってくださいね. The ください and the ね do a lot of work. Same 4 seconds. One sounds like you are in charge of them. The other one sounds like you respect their time. One more thing, and it matters. Even Japanese people get these wrong. The wrong words at the wrong moment. It happens all the time. And お疲れ様です isn't a magic fix either. Most people are completely fine with it, but I've seen senior employees, people with higher titles who don't love hearing お疲れ様です from someone below them. Some companies don't care at all. Others really do. It depends on the person, the company, and the moment. So don't treat these rules as caved in stone. Pay attention to your coworkers who says what and when they say it. Listen how they talk to the boss and how they talk to each other. There's so much you can learn from them, just the Japanese people right next to you. When in Rome, do as Romans do. Trust your instinct and pick the word that fits the room. Recap. So, 3 swaps. ご苦労様 becomes お疲れ様です。了解です becomes 承知しました or かしこまりました with a client. And ちょっと待って becomes 少々お待ちください Nobody was ever going to tell you this, now you know them. If this was useful, subscribe. I teach one real work phrase like this, and then this week I'm breaking each of these 3 down as short. And tell me in the comments, which one have you said by accident? 1, 2, or 3? Just drop the number. I read every single one. And listen, if you've said all 3, you're not rude. You're just learning from a textbook that never worked in a real office. I said them too. That's the whole reason I make these. You are doing fine. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。I will see you in the next video.